I'm going to show you a tip for evenly spacing elements around the center point of a circle. For this example, I'm going to use a triangular path, but it doesn't really matter which element you use. If you apply a rotate transform on a normal element, the center point is going to be in the center of the bounding rectangle. So you'll see that the item will rotate around that white center point. If I take and move this white center point down a little bit, let's say down about 1.5 times the distance from the previous center, and I apply a rotation, you'll see that it rotates around that center point. So this is the secret for this tip, is that here's a 12 o'clock position, and I can rotate it over here to the 3 o'clock position or the 9 o'clock position. And I'm going to do it with a little bit more finesse than that. I'm going to set this back to 0. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this item and paste it in. If you look on the bottom of this window in my Objects and Timeline, you'll see that I have a new path available. And I'm going to take that path, the second path, and I'm going to set a 45-degree angle. Then I'm going to copy and paste it again. Now I have 3 paths. I'm going to select the third path and set that to a 90-degree angle. And if I continue that process, I go into the nice pattern around the outside edge of the circle. The next step is going to be apply an animation to this shape. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to combine them into a new group. I'm going to select all of them, then I'm going to right click and choose Combine, Unite. Now I have a single shape that I can apply a rotation animation to.